friends, today my topic of discussion is regional political parties in India. What is regional political party? Regional political party is one type of local political party which enjoys popularity in one or two states or which mainly identified itself with the interest of a particular area or community or linguistic or cultural group. The criteria for determining whether a party is national or regional takes into account into two factors. First is the number of states in which it enjoys electoral support, and the second factor is the percentage of votes polled or legislative seats secured by in the state assembly or Lok Sabha election. The first criteria is territorial and the second one relates to the popularity graph of the party. Some of the important regional parties are Shiromani Akali Dal, National Conference, DMK, AIADMK, TDP, Assam Gana Parishad, Biju Janata Dal, Aam Aadmi Party, Shiv Sena, etc. So now let us discuss some of the regional political parties individually. First we will discuss Akali Dal or the Shiromani Akali Dal. The Shiromani Akali Dal as a regional party in Punjab was formed in 1924. Means it is an old regional political party emerged before independence in 1924 and it is the sole representative of Sikh community. Its headquarters is in Punjab and this party does not keep any difference between the religion and politics. It works for the interest of Sikhs and finally in 1966 by separating Haryana, Punjab was created. The Akali Dal demands decentralization of power, autonomy of states, protection and promotion of the interest of the farmer and better deal in the distribution of river water. Then second regional political party we'll discuss is National Conference. National Conference is a regional party of Jammu Kashmir. It was created by Sheikh Abdullah in 1932 and it is a regional party of Jammu and Kashmir. It works for the Kashmiri citizen. Then third regional political party we will discuss is Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam or DMK. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam or DMK was established in 1949 in Tamil Nadu by C.N. Annadurai. It works against North Indians, Brahmins and Hindi language. The leader like C.N. Annadurai, M. Karunanidhi became the chief minister of the state from this party. The next regional political party is AIADMK or All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam was constituted by M.G. Ramachandran in 1972 when DMK splitted. Leaders like Jayalalitha, E.K. Palaniswamy, became the chief minister of the state from this party. Then next regional political party is Telugu Desam Party. Telugu Desam Party. Telugu Desam Party is a regional party in Andhra Pradesh which is formed in March 1982 by a famous Telugu star N.T. Ramarao in Andhra Pradesh. N.T. Ramarao promised to restore the dignity of Andhra and to provide a clean government to people. The party also declared to purify socio-economic, culture and political life of Andhra people. It promised to fight against corruption, communalism and casteism. Leaders like N.T. Ramarao and N. Chandrababu became the chief minister of the state. Then we will see Assam Gana Parishad. Assam Gana Parishad is a regional party of Assam. It was formed in 1985 by Praful Kumar Mahanta. And the Assam Gana Parishad Party or AGP is a product of a vigorous student movement led by All Assam Student Union and its political wing, the All Assam Gana Sangharsha Parishad. The main aim of Assam Gana Parishad was to overthrow the non-Assami from the state. The next one is BJD or Biju Janata Dal. Biju Janata Dal is a regional political party of Odisha. It was founded on 26th December 1997 after the death of a former Janata Dal leader, Sri Jukta Biju Patnaik. Sri Naveen Patnaik, the son of the Biju Patnaik, has taken the leadership of the party. From 2000 to 2004, with the coalition of BJP formed the government in the state, and from 2009 to till date, BJD is individually ruling the state and Naveen Patnaik is the chief minister of the state from this party. Then we will see Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party was created by Arvind Kejriwal on 26th November 2012 in Delhi, and he became the chief minister of the state from this party. The next regional political party is Shiv Sena. It is the regional party of Maharashtra, founded by Sri Balasaheb Thackeray in 1966. He was the chief of the party, and after his death, his son Sri Uddhav Thackeray became the chief.